Hello, and welcome to Omron's product introduction. My name is Patrick Lahey, and I am the product manager for switch and connectors at Omron. I've been working at Omron for the past 7 years and been in the PM in charge of switch and connectors for the last 5. Today I will have the distinct pleasure of introducing you to Omron's newly released XP2U USB TypeC test socket that is geared towards the test and measurement market. Omron's XP2U is a test socket for electronic devices that utilize USB TypeC I/O connectors. This test socket specializes in high durability and low insertion force. It also provides one-touch fitting to the test equipment's machine side with the USB TypeC connector. Omron socket uses our EFC technology, which stands for Electroforming contacts, to help enhance performance. The main spec for the XP2U has a rated current for terminals number A, B, 1, 4, 9, and 12 of 1.25 amps. The other terminals have a rated current of 0.25 amps. The rated voltage is 20 VAC or VDC, with an ambient operating temperature from 5 to 40 degrees Celsius. The XP2U has 3 key features and benefits. The first feature is its contact pins are made utilizing Omron's EFC technology. This electroforming contact provides higher durability, about 20 times higher than the competition. It is rated for 200K cycles minimum. The next key features is at its connection point, it is made with resin tip plus a floating structure. This causes no damage to the test object because the resin tip is a soft object that will not scratch the end device. Also, with the floating structure, it provides some give and playability for the manual worker. Thirdly, the key feature is low insertion force. This is also done utilizing the EFC technology, and this will help reduce the burden of the manual test worker as they insert this USB Type-C test socket multiple hundreds of times per hour. The high durability of 200K cycles is realized by the adaptation of the electroforming contact, which has high spring characteristics and high hardness material, which help enables longer life. The chart in the lower left-hand corner shows the contact resistance measured out throughout the life of the 200K cycles. As you can see, the contact resistance remains very stable throughout the life of the product and remains very close to the average of 86 milliohms. The pictures on the right will help show the electroforming contact pin within the product. There is a picture of the pin after the life cycle testing, which shows very little wear or deformation to the contact. The connection point is made by a 2-point structure involving the resin tip and floating structure. This will help enable prevention of the product damage. The resin tip provides little damage to the test object due to the soft material. This is in contrast to the general USB cable, which has a metal tip that will sometimes cause damage to the end object. The floating structure is made by coil springs, which helps provide movability to the tip and will move at about a 1-degree angle. This will help the manual test worker insert and take out the USB test socket without damaging the end device. The final feature of the XP2U is its low insertion force. This will help reduce the burden on the manual test worker as they insert and remove the test socket from the end device. The average force for our XP2U test socket is 1.6 Newton, while the general USB cable is 11.7 Newton. This is due to the XP2U having a non-lock structure, while the USB connector has a locking structure. The target testing applications for the XP2U are inspection equipment for all electronic devices that use USB TypeC connectors as their I/O connector. The function of use is for inspection for telecommunication, quick charge, or battery charge for the following devices, but not limited to: smartphone, portable gaming devices, e-cigarettes, cameras, headphones, and tablets. Thank you for your time today and for listening while I introduced Omron's XP2U USB TypeC test socket. I encourage you to stay in touch with Omron Electronic Components by either visiting us online at components.omron.com, where you can also sign up for our monthly new product newsletter, or you can email us at components@omron.com with any requests or inquiries that you might have. Also, be sure to follow us on LinkedIn and YouTube accounts under @Omron Electronic Components Americas for the latest company and product information.